This is a scaffold so we can replace the caulking up high. Hello.
How are you doing today?
Good.
But definitely can stand on that, right?
You can stand, yes.
You can stand on that?
Yes.
These additional jumps they have here.
Right. But we're going to be putting out like probably on average about 150 is what's actually going to come out of each engine.
Well, I ain't got a problem for that cable to handle that.
I mean, particularly if we put like 175s. Let me look.
Is that just going that strap to that pipe up there?
That's just to that pipe. That just goes to the pipe. So there is no
Per se bonding block on your terminal strip.
No, because this is all daisy chained directly to the external zinc.
Right. So they installed a bus bar like the drawing showed.
Great. Can we get a bigger, a more rounded L?
Yes, we can get a,
But I don't know if we can. I mean, I'm looking at, we may not want to.
yeah, if we get a sweeping L, it's going to make this be out here and it's going to run right into there.
Okay.
But because it is air conditioning, and I'm not trying to get into your pocketbook, but you may want to replace that.
Yep. Bring it out here and in. See this? I don't think we need an elbow.
You want to go try to go straight?
Yeah. How about if we just go straight in? Use the hose.
Okay.
What do you think of that idea?
It's worth a try because it'll definitely help the flow.
Yeah.
9 is a killer.
Yeah, I know. Every elbow we take out is. And I want the best valve that I want to be able to turn the damn thing. We have this leak here that I know is coming off the top, but I have tightened that nut as much as I dared when we were underway because I could not afford to lose it completely. We'd be in deep kimchi. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So I was afraid to go any tighter. So.
All right, the nut around the glass tube itself or the packing nut around
It's
the
leaking
stem?
here. It comes out here. Not down there. It comes out here when it's full and drips down. It's not leaking there that I don't believe. I believe it leaks here. I can't see. Just tell me.
Come on now. There you go. Good.
You want those bolts?
Just hold right there. Hold
Okay.
right there. Just let it. Put that 52 and
That would have been a
42.
nightmare.
We're filling the chilled loop system with new antifreeze.
For the second time.
After fixing all the leaks and replacing a bunch of valves.
Charge air cooler, and it's the rust debris coming out of the factory charge air tube from the turbo to the charge air cooler. It's a lot of rust debris that comes out of these, and it packs the cooler. Up over the railing,
Yep.
and we're going to drop your end in the bucket.
All right.
Okay, drop your end in the bucket. That's how you keep from making a mess.
Cool. You did it.
Well, the intake runners are clean. Valves look good. Okay.
Yeah, that's great coming out.
Lots of work going on in the engine room.
So that's too much. Okay. Let me know if you want me to do anything.
I'm just trying to see if it can turn any more, but I'm not getting a bite on it like that either.
Yeah. If we had a short. Bottom tell you can't do.